Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show our 30 ton per day capacity 2-bite machines. This is a 30 ton per day capacity 2-bite machine with a split design. And here we have a two-start of a 30 ton per day capacity 2-bite machine with a compact design. This machine, the ice generator and the compressing condenser unit, they are located in different areas. They are separated from each other. These two are my 30 ton per day capacity 2-bite machine with a compact design, all in one. The machine is ready for ice making after you collect it with water and power. There is no need to connect any copper pipes. The installation is so simple and easy.
Okay, let's check the quality of ice tubes made by our 30 ton per day capacity 2-bite machine. This is all the ice made in one cycle, and we can see that the machine make ice cubes 100% transparent, crystal clear, very good quality ice tubes made by our 30 ton per day capacity 2-bite machine.